Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, October 28, 2015. Today at 2 o'clock, it's the FOMC minutes. It's been a very busy morning, intraday-wise, because there was a lot of stuff going on. First of all, many sectors went down first and then up after, but we had plenty of signal during the morning, especially on the mining, the gold, the energy, the gas. The gas was going down though. So many things happened. Also a few financial results as well. Let's start by the US dollar that is has began a downward cycle. And you know, there's not much in the news. They said in China that the market was going up, expecting the FOMC minutes. No, that's not that at all. That's in Europe. So in Europe, it's the same thing. It went up because of the FOMC minutes. But the Nikkei went up as well, and the China went down because they said of the downward movement of the crude oil yesterday was as it went back up today. Tomorrow, tonight, I think the China market's going to go up unless something happened very drastically this afternoon because of the FOMC. And that's about it on the news there. We had a few financial results, beginning by Apple. Apple has confirmed a new bottom within its uptrend, outside of the downtrend. So it's a positive movement. They were expecting $1.87. They got $1.96, 22% increase in the sales revenues. Twitter were expecting 5 cents. They got 10 cents, and Twitter went down and then rapidly came back up. So it opened there and it came right back up. And but it's still a sideways movement there. Ballard Power hasn't shown yet its new bullish cycle. My line is pretty big. Let's move it down a little bit. And so the next buy signal is about like 220. And cut went down and rapidly came back up. And now it's over. It seems like it's going to come back down in a little while so far. And so they went actually from 13.25 to 14.50 in the morning. And Canadian National Railways was going down yesterday and went back up very strongly today because they were predicting 115. They got 126 with only 3% increase in the revenue. So it's been like that all morning. So it was pretty hard to profit of it unless you had bought it yesterday, and I doubt it. Diamond Food is being taken over by Snyderlands. So Diamond Food is going up, but it's going to stay there because it's a takeover. And Snyderlands got some money out of their pocket, so it brought the stock down. Northrop Grumman, it's a big contract. They have won a big contract from U.S. Air Force to construct the new generation of bombers, long-distance bombers, and it's evaluated to a potential of $80 billion. Walgreens is buying, so it's going down, the Rite Aid that went up yesterday. And today, it's no longer moving. It's just doing nothing, and it's over for that stock. It's not going to move again. And Orbit is just reporting that they received new patents. Bonterra said that they had started drilling in their Gladiator claim in north of Val-d'Or. And Bombardier upward movement is because the Quebec government reported that they are going to help the company in with providing them money, and they didn't say if they're going to buy shares or provide guarantees to the industry, so they loan them money. So that's it for the news. Let's look out what happened this morning, first of all, on the gas. The gas went down. Remember yesterday the gas was stabilized. So we were on a 2-day bottom there, and today it broke down again. So actually what happened is that it went down this morning, and then since this morning we have recommended HND because it's to play the downward movement on the gas, and we had 1, 2, and 3 bearish cycle during the morning, so there was a little bit of money to make out of that. And then also the crude oil has confirmed a bottom this morning, pushing on the upside. And let's see what it gave us. We had a very nice movement here, breaking out at 10 o'clock even on a very nice bullish cycle, and then we got 1, 2, 3 bullish cycle until it stabilized, and now most everything is going sideways right now, waiting for the FOMC minutes. So and that was the action during the morning, and also the stocks went up and down, and then rushed on the upside on 2 nice cycles and bullish cycles, and now it's over. It's going sideways. And we had the same movement on the silver, also on the gold, and the gold stock right at first this morning. Let's see it here. So how many? Oops, I don't see it all. Now I will. And there we are. So at first the gold stocks rose until it provided another 1 bullish cycle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it was over. The momentum has reversed, and it's now sitting on important support, and it could even take this side or this side this afternoon. So maybe it's not over. So prepare yourself for 2 o'clock. And 2 o'clock, we could have a movement on oil or in the gold sector again. And the mining also went up this morning after falling at the opening, coming back until we got one bullish cycle, 2, 3, 4. So many. The last one did not last long, but still now facing another bullish cycle. So look, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time tested resistance at the moment. So it could produce some more gain in the afternoon. And the financials took off also after the opening at 9:38 here. And guess what? It is stabilized also there too. So there's not much stuff going on right now because of the minutes coming out at 2 again. So actually there's not much that we can do right now unless waiting until 2 o'clock, because we don't expect to see any movement at all until then, because it's getting too close to the announcement, and we don't believe they're going to announce much. We think it's going to be the same thing, but you know, it is the U.S. authorities that are going to say what's going to happen, and we'll see at that time. Just keep watching it. There, stand by until 2 o'clock this afternoon. The financials are coming down right now. So there are, it seems like we could even start reversing this bullish cycle here, because we are on a 3-time tested support at the moment there. So we have a few questions that came in, and we'll be answering it right after the break. In the meantime, I have a couple of other stocks here that moved down until we reach the support, and a new upward momentum has been initiated. Like Couche-Tard went down for the 3rd days today. Metro was going down also in this morning for the 3rd days, and Cut Beverage, until the situation has changed to the upside, but now it's going down again.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients, and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have a first question here from Bear. Hi, Michel. What do you think of a small speculative position on LIQT? So let's get on it. LIQT. Looks pretty good so far. It's not a very liquid stock. It is, let's see it this way. Oh, the trend has been reversed, and it's been a long downtrend. It's a 2 years downtrend, but the stock has been sideways for about 8 months, approximately. Can't see it right now. At least since January until August, and now the stock came back to this level. So I don't know if you're in it already. If you're not, I'd suggest that either instead of buying it right now, I would prefer doing it like at 120, 122. But it's got to be a little bit longer shot because this stock is very poor in day trading, as you can see. You know, sometimes there is just no volume on it, and it just makes a little dot. So this is a 15-minute chart. So the stock is many times hours without trading. So you see that we can see it clearly here. That's about 115, which is the top, and actually it's coming down. So I would wait until it goes back up to $1.20. Too late to buy gold? Oh, at the moment I would not. I would not. It's a little bit risky because, let's see it here. The gold went up this morning, and ever since, let's see it in 1 minute chart. So the gold went up this morning, but ever since, it's just like following a very slow downtrend. So at the moment, gold stock would be interesting if the gold takes off above the 113 line, and the gold stock has been going up too, and still right now going down that way. So I presume there could be a movement in the afternoon, and since it did not continue this movement, I'm a little bit worrier about it. So let's see what's going to happen at 2. And if the stock breaks out again on a new high, I'd say before taking a position on it. So I would wait until the stock makes a new high. There is that Yamana Gold here that was very nice yesterday, following a positive triangle formation, and it was nice already. So I like that movement on that stock today. So even and if you didn't buy that one, would get it like at 360, you know. So it's just to make sure it's going to continue again. So on any stock in the afternoon, I would buy on a new high. Good to buy HGU, but it's the same thing, because if you look at the gold HGU is moving according to the movement of TTGD, the stock index, the gold stock index that represent most of the gold stocks and the most popular gold stocks. And HGU is doing the same thing. You know, they follow each other like twins. So so it's the same thing here. Look, it's going down right now, you know, very slowly but surely going down. So I would buy it if it pushes up after 2, like at 2. Hi Michelle, GALS performs very well today compared to UNG. Would you buy it? What's GALS? So that's the direction natural gas 3-time bull. Okay, let's put it there. Oh, 30 seconds. Oops. Let's see. I have a little bit of time, not much time. So let's put it like, okay, this is UNG, that's going down, and GSL. I'm not sure what it is moving with. This is actually going with the actual gas price, and it's funny. It's funny that it's a bull and the gas goes down and this one goes up. I'm running out of time. I can't think at it fast enough here to give you a good advice. So I'm really sorry about that. The show is just over. I gotta quit. Bye. See you tomorrow. Oh.